Bedtime for Monsters by Ed Vere. Do you ever wonder if somewhere not too far away there might be monsters? Because supposing there are monsters, do you think that this monster might be licking his lips and thinking about you? And if this monster is thinking about you, maybe he's thinking about you in an eating you up sort of way. I hope not, because he's coming to find you right now. Ring-a-ding-ding. And as he bicycles bumpily through a dark and terrible forest, bumpity-bump-bump, do you think he's smiling because he remembered to pack his knife and fork? And as he sloops through the sloopy-gloopy swamp, sloopy-gloop-gloop, do you think he's imagining how good you'll taste all covered in ketchup? And as he tiptoes through thorns and thistles, scratch, scratch, ouch, do you think he'll decide you'll taste even more delicious squished and then squashed onto hot buttered toast? And at this very moment, as he climbs up the cold and snowy mountains, getting closer and closer to you, don't you think he'll be feeling very hungry indeed? You're not scared, are you? Because if he's feeling very hungry indeed, while he searches high and low and up and down and in and out all over town, maybe you'll hear his big empty tummy rumbling and grumbling. And if you do hear the rumbling and grumbling, might you also hear a creak, creak, creak as he climbs up the stairs? Creakity, creak, creak. And as he opens your bedroom door, do you think he's licking his lips because he wants to gobble you up? Oh no, it's much worse than that. This monster wants a disgustingly sloppy goodnight kiss. Because it's bedtimes for monsters everywhere. Big ones like him and little ones like you. Did you really think he was going to eat you? How silly. The end.